Creating video for your business is one of the best investments you can make. If you create a video today, that video will be around in the next year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and people will find that video on Google or YouTube. And when they do, they have the opportunity to then watch multiple videos of yours and where they can see you as the authority in your space and buy your product or service. So that's the benefit of video. But the negative of video is it's really hard to record video. And many business owners don't do it because it's time consuming and it's confusing and they don't know where to start. But I want to talk to you today about a principle that'll make this happen for you. If you want all the benefits of video, then you can make it happen with this one simple principle, and that is 70% is better than 100%. So doing something at 70% that's imperfect, that's a little bit incomplete, that's not up to your standard is better than doing something at 100% and then actually never doing it. So 70% done is better than 100% not done. And let me give you an example. If you look at my YouTube channel at this point, I have about 200 videos. About 90% of those videos have been live streamed on Facebook or LinkedIn, and then I take that video and I upload it. Now, is that best practice to live stream every video you do? Probably not. But do you know why I do it? I do it because every video I record is a one-take video. When you live stream, you can't actually stop. You're live, you're talking, and when you fumble and make a mistake, you just have to keep going. And that's why I live stream my videos, because I don't want to do 2 takes or 3 takes. I don't want to have to edit the video afterwards. You know, when I've done that in the past, I typically will record a 5-minute video, but it will take me 20 to 25 minutes to record that one video. And by the end of it, I'm sweating and I'm stressed, and I think to myself, I'm never doing this again. But when I record a live stream video, I do it in one take. At the end, when I press the stop button, I'm done. It's done. It's even uploaded to the internet. It's even all over my social media accounts. And so I want to encourage you, the key to having the benefit of video in your business is 70% is better than 100%. Do something imperfectly and not up to your standard, but get it done and do it consistently over a week, a month, a 6-month period, a year, 2 years, 3 years. That's much better than doing it never at 100%. And that's where many of you are now. And so that's what I've done. Now, let me tell you about the benefits that I've seen through creating video over a long period of time by creating imperfect video over a long period of time. And I'm sure some of you can even already see some of the mistakes I've made in this video, but I don't care. Do you know why? Because I'm in the top, 1, 2, 3% of people who actually record video, who actually give. I give so much to my community, the people who watch my videos. I get so many people thank me for the videos, and they're thanking me for videos that I know are imperfect, but what they really want is the content. And I deliver them content imperfectly, and they see value in it. And so many of those people have become clients. So this is what happens to me. I've been doing this for a few years now, probably 2 or 3 years. And now what happens is I will typically get 2 to 3 appointments booked in my calendar every week from someone from around the world who sees my videos on YouTube, watches 10, 20 of them, over a period of time realize, wow, I need to speak to Marlon because he knows what he's talking about. And then they book an appointment in my calendar. Every video at the end of it, I ask for someone if they need help to book a call. So they book a call. Now, when they turn up and they know everything about me, my philosophy, not my personal life, but they know everything about how I think about business and what I can do for them. And typically they'll turn up and you can hear in their voice, they're a little bit honored to be on the call with me. They can't believe that, they watched me and now they're talking to me. It's the same guy across the world, this Australian guy with this weird accent. And I'm just me, and I just treat them really well, and they really enjoy the time with me. But they come with questions. They come pre-qualified. They come to that meeting, and they're not judging me. I'm kind of figuring out who they are. And so many of those people have become clients. And if you want the benefit of that, if you want to have people book appointments in your calendar or buy your products and services, and you don't even know who they are, but they know you, then you have to record video and you have to publish it on a regular basis. And the way you do it is do not look at Dude Perfect and Mr. Beast and some of these great YouTubers out there and try to replicate what they have. What you need to do is look at someone like Gary Vee. Gary Vee, I don't know if you know, but Gary Vee is one of the biggest social media personalities at the moment in business. And he actually has about 5 or 6 companies behind him that he never promotes on his videos, but he has a massive following. And one of those businesses I know a couple of years ago was worth $100 million. He built off the back of his social media profile, right? He built a wine company that he then sold for millions upon millions of dollars off the back of his profile of people who follow him. And Gary Vee does not do perfected videos. They are imperfect videos. They were just videos of him talking to clients or at a conference or a talk that he does at a conference or a Q&A session he has with a client or someone that books time with him. They're all very videos that just aren't set up and staged, but they're just him doing his everyday thing. And I think with me, what I do is I just work with my clients, and then at the end of the day or during the day, I record a video like this, and I just teach what I've learned or teach what I've experienced or teach what I've done with my client. And it's amazing because whatever space you work in, you are probably very good at it. And what you know about that industry, your prospects don't know. And when you just share that information, it actually makes a big difference. So the key is just get out there and do it. 70% done is better than 100% not done. First principle. Second principle is you have to do one-take videos. I'm telling you, every time I try and do more than one-take video, I get stressed and I sweat and I'm flustered and I'm like, I'm never doing that again. But this video is a one-take video. I'm going to wrap up pretty soon, but I don't have to do anything after I press stop here. And so make sure that you're educating, you're teaching, you're doing one-take videos, and just get it done and just do it. Because if you can do that, you can build a library of videos that people will be watching while you're sleeping. So I hope that really helped. That's exactly what I do. I do this every week, and this is how I've grown my business. I want to encourage you, if you want to get into video, start doing one-take videos, doing perfect videos. And if you need help with that, just click the button around this video, book a call with me. I'd love to help you. Speak to you soon. Bye.